Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be a Glossybox subscription box unboxing. This month is May and I got the zebra one, and yes, so what I like is that it's a matte black box with this shiny shimmery design on the front, and look at that on the side. That's amazing, that is. And like always, I don't look for any spoilers. I don't watch other people's videos or anything like that, so I'll unbox it. Also, I've taken the outer packaging off because it's got my address on. Oh, so on this month we've got paw prints. It's very nice. And the leaflet looks like this. So this month is Explore Your Wild Side. So you either get the zebra or the cheetah one. And as always, on the back, you've got the June sneak peek of one of the products, how to become Glossy of the Month, how to earn Glossy credit, how to hang out in the Glossy Lounge, and the social media at the bottom. If you don't want to see spoilers, look away now. Closer if it's not in shot. If you didn't want to see spoilers, you may look back now. And first thing is, okay, this is kind of bright. Reading it, I have no idea what it is, but it is a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural purple. Probably pronouncing that wrong, but if anyone knows what this is, then please tell me, because I have no idea. But you probably put this on when you're doing special effects makeup, maybe, because it says for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint, so it's probably for special effects makeup and that. Next thing is, oh, I've needed a face mask for quite a while now and can't really go out to get one, and everywhere online they are sold out. But this is an okay Save Our Skin calming Dalmatian print sheet mask, and it looks like that. This is the Dalmatian print sheet mask with charcoal and white tea, so that's very nice indeed. This is just a 10 to 20 mask, again very nice. Oh, this looks very fancy for a subscription box. It has to be at least £50–60 at least, maybe even nearly 100, maybe, not too sure, but this looks really fancy. What's this? Pigment, got to be eyeshadow, because pigment. Oh, if I can open it. Yeah, I knew it. Eyeshadow, but these shades are beautiful. Definitely my shades. I don't have any brushes on me at the moment, but cannot wait to. Oh, these are really creamy ones. So if I shade a couple, these are just, I'm literally swatch, up, down. And then, so the first one is that middle one. It looks pretty cool. I'm trying all the shimmery ones. Next one is that one in the corner, right there. And then trying silver shade there. Oh, these are very my mother like. My mum would like this palette a lot. And then that one right there. Oh, very bronzy. It's very nice. And the final shade, shimmery shade, is. So those are the shimmery shades. And I will quickly swatch the matte ones, and then the two at the bottom. So if I hold on to that, so those 4, starting from the black, is I've literally done that and then to my arm. So the left one is those 2 and the right one's those 2. See, those are, see, I feel like a tiger now that I've got that. My arm, those are very creamy and kind of feel like they're easy to work with. So now that I've swatched them on my hand or my arm, I don't think it is around 60. It's definitely gone down in price now that I've swatched it. Maybe 60, not too sure. But how many is that now? 1, 2, 3, so I've got 2 more. So the next thing is this mud masky. See, face mask, hair mask. Now, I've been hair masking my hair so many times over this lockdown thing, and thankfully I have got this one. This is by Mud Masky. This is a hair mask, scalp treatment and miracle shampoo, 3-in-1 formula. And this is pH balanced, which it repairs hair, strengthens hair, hydrates hair, moisturises scalp and dandruff control. Yeah, that looks really good. I've been needing a face mask. Doubt this will last me long, but you know, so I'll do a video on it and it would be great. We're very thankful that I've had the chance to try this. It's not tested on animals, paraben and sulfate free, and natural ingredients. So you know it's a good face mask. And if you want to follow them on social media, if it wants to focus, there we go. And the final thing is, okay, so this is by Downtown Paris, that's how I'm calling it, and it's a liquid highlighter. Now if you're a long-term subscriber of me, or you just don't think I've ever used this online really, but me and liquid highlighter do not go well. I've tried the Revolution one, I've tried the Revolution one, but I've tried the Barium one. No, I have the Revolution one. I've tried, yeah, don't know what, ignore me with Barium. But me and liquid highlighter do not go well together. So hopefully if we work as a team, this one, well, it's a liquid one and you rub it into wherever you want to put it in. I like how it like melts into my hand. Like you can tell it's a moisturising highlighter as well. And I like how it's got that pinky champagne shimmer to it. A pinky champagne shimmer to it, rather. That's very nice. Now this is the part of the video where I talk about everything. And yeah, so if you want me to film more glossy box unboxings in a certain way, please comment tips down below. Other than that, hope you enjoyed this video and let's get on to reading all about the products. So full size, full size, full size, full size, full size. So everything is full size. So we are starting with the Steve Laurent eyeshadow palette. This is our full size palette, worth £31. See, I knew it was pricey because you know you can't have something like this in a £10 subscription box. Like, come on, this is pricey. And we've got the pamphlet in half. Embrace your wild side and experiment with new, not really new because you know, brownie shades are my kind of thing, sultry eye looks thanks to this gorgeous zebra print eyeshadow palette, boasting 9 creamy and intense. I knew it was creamy because you know once you put your finger in there, you can feel the creamy powders and stuff. And intense shades. The silky smooth pigments glide effortlessly onto your lid to deliver some serious colour. You can use the soft matte hues to create a subtle day look or blend the shimmering dark colours together to build an evening design. So I see what you mean. That's it, because I don't really have makeup brushes with me, but what I would do is maybe use that one as a base, that top one, then maybe one of these 2 outer ones, as the outer bit, and then for a bit of shimmer I'll use that one, and then for my eyeliner I'd use that black one there. See, I do know some stuff. I do know how to work with makeup, it's just sometimes I've forgotten how. I don't know. I actually don't know. Some stuff I know how it works and that, and what I can do with it. Something on my face, I'm just imagining it. Anyway, so highlighter, £19.30. So we put that there. Out in the urban jungle, you always want to look your best. So you need makeup that won't budge. Luckily, this creamy highlighter not only gives you that dewy complexion, that's probably what I mean by it being moisturising and that. Luckily, this creamy highlighter not only gives you a dewy complexion, but it stays put for hours. Dab it onto your cheekbones, brow bone, cupid's bow and chin for targeted glow, or mix a few drops into your foundation for a lit from within radiance. I was kind of right. Put that in the box there. The face mask retails for £4. Channel your inner spirit animal with these fun sheet masks. There's only one, but okay. Filled with skin-loving ingredients like tea tree, witch hazel, willow bark, and charcoal powder. That's like my favourite face mask ingredients. They work to calm, tone and balance your skin for a clearer and healthier looking complexion. Apply yours onto a clean face for 10 to 20 minutes. Then gently peel it off and massage the remaining serum into your skin. That again is beautiful. Let's see what, pardon me, I've just recently had my dinner, so let's see what this is. Don't let painful dry chapped lips. Okay, I see what this is. Don't let painful dry chapped lips. It's like a lip balm, but liquid. Don't let painful dry chapped lips stop you from living your wildest adventures. Created from a blend of pawpaw fruit, I love aloe vera, literally. I love aloe vera, it's literally my favourite. With olive oil, this vegan and cruelty-free lip balm. It's a lip balm! Leaves your pouch feeling soft, hydrated and nourished wherever you go. Plus, it boasts a vibrant orange hue that just screams confident woman. But what if you're not a woman? A confident person, shall we say. Retails for $6.95. Pretty sure I got a bit, not burned, but you know, I got a bit tan, not really tan, but I got a bit red from the sun earlier. I was going to use this, but I didn't. Last but not least, the hair mask. This retails for £31 and it's got 75ml. Tame your dry, damaged and frizzy mane. This newly launched 3-in-1 hair care treatment, formulated with Moroccan argan oil, Moroccan mud and flowers. It first moisturizes the skin onto your scalp, then repairs, hydrates and strengthens your tresses. Massage it onto your wet scalp and hair, leave it for 1 minute, then rinse. You'll have beautiful, healthy locks in no time. So yeah, that's all this month's Glossier box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry about my struggling words there. But you know, if you have any idea how serious this is, sorry, no Harry Potter quote. If you have any video ideas you want me to do, then comment them down below. If you have any ways I can film my videos better, any tips or tricks or anything, please comment them down below. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye!